1967 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. 1967 was the last year for the C2 Corvette generation. Arguably one of the most collectible cars out there. This is a nice example. Coupe, big block, stinger hood, side pipes, 427 4-speed, 400 horsepower, finished in Marina Blue with blue interior. Absolutely stunning. You can never go wrong with a 67 C2 Coupe. And the big block stinger hood side pipes make it even that much better. All right, check out this interior. Matching blue. Interior has a very original vibe to it. Listen to that 427 breathe. The 427 400 horse is a tri-power carburetor setup with a hydraulic lifter camshaft. Just listen to that purr, it sounds awesome. Let's start off with our wipers. Those work good. Also, this is a telescopic wheel. That's kind of a cool feature. You don't see that option very often in C2 Corvettes. All right, let's move on to the headlights here. All right, there they go. It looks like we're fully up. Give you a view. And they both closed. Work as expected. There's your horn. Here's your fan. I do feel air blowing. Radio. Original radio works. AM, FM, which is pretty sweet. All right, take a look under the hood. That's what everyone's been waiting to see. Anyways, door shuts nice. The gaps up on the top of the door here look really good. Gotta love the stinger hood. All right, check this out, folks. There is your 427 400 horsepower engine. It really wants to go. It does have a brand new tri-power Holley carburetor setup on it, freshly installed and tuned up and running awesome. It does have manual 4-wheel disc brakes from the factory, manual steering. So we do have the tank sticker with this car, which you'll be able to find in our advertisement. But this engine is a replacement engine. Because we have the tank sticker, we can tell the car was born a 400 horsepower 427, but the front of this engine has been restamped. So the front of the engine does match, but this is not the original engine. I'll make sure to post the front stamping and the build sheet on the ad so you can take a look at that. And if you have any more questions regarding the engine, just let us know and we'll do our best to answer any questions you may have. The engine runs really strong. It does have a newer radiator in it. Gotta love the sound of a big block 427 engine. Listen to that exhaust. These are red line tires, date code 2009 on the date code on the tires. They appear to be in fairly good shape, but they are from 2009. So if you want to do some serious driving with this Corvette, you'll probably want to put on your own choice of tires. Lovely interior, passenger door shuts awesome. All right, moving on to the paint and body. The paint and fiberglass overall on this car is very, very good, but it is a older paint job from what we can tell. Probably done at least 20 years ago, but it has been recently cut and buffed and polished and shines awesome, as you can see in the video here. Do want to point out a couple imperfections though. Here's a chip middle of the driver door. You got another one right there. Moving back this way. The front end is just in awesome shape. Not much to really pick at here. Maybe a couple small little touch-ups. Gotta love that Stinger hood with the black. You have a crack right there, little crack right there. A couple little chips on the side of the hood. No, not a big deal. I do want to let you know the paint on this hood looks like it had some problems with some heat maybe in the past. You can see there's another small crack there, but this part of the hood, this region in particular, has contamination underneath the paint, I would call it. And you can see it, oh yeah, there you go. You can see it in the right lighting. And that's really the worst spot on the whole car, is on this fiberglass hood on the passenger front side of it. You can see on the driver's side, there's another crack here. So the paint body overall, I'd give it a driver quality. It just has an excellent shine, and that Marina Blue is such a deep color. Passenger side headlight, or driver side headlight, excuse me. There's a crack right there. There might be a little line right there. The typical spots you see the fender's cracked here will look really, really good. We'll go around to the other side too. There's a small crack here, crack there. And this fender is also in really good shape. If you're interested in this beautiful 1967 Corvette Coupe 427 400 horse tri-power side pipe 4-speed car, do not hesitate. Scroll down, we'll have a link in the description. It'll take you right to our website. There you can find the asking price, undercarriage pictures, shows really well underneath, as well as the high resolution photo gallery. And if you got any questions, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.